Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So a couple of minutes ago I set it up here at my fingerprint recognition. As can you see, I can unblock the device with my fingerprint, and now I'll make 5 of tries to unblock the device with my fingerprint, and you'll see how fast and how useful the switcher is. So let's start. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As can you see, the fingerprint unlock works really fast, so I just can simply touch the sensor, and as can you see, I can really fast, less than in 1 second, unblock my device. So I think that's a really useful and cool feature to unblock, method to unblock your device, and I suggest you to try if you don't like some methods like the pin code or patterns, so you can use the fingerprint scanner here. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.